Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Vesta 67's workshop. Welcome to issue number 76 of Build the Batmobile from the classic 1966 TV series Batman from our good old mates over at Fanhome. Now, if you'd like to grab this 1/8 scale model for yourselves and have it on your bench, build along with me folks. Pop over to their website. There's a clickable link below in the description. And you too can be building one of these. Look at it. Let's have a quick scoop through today's magazine. Penguin apparently is a girl's best friend. There you go. This is Faces of Death from the great comics, Batman Detective Comics there. We then got 03 there, part 1. This is a Batgirl. Year 1 it says Gotham Central on that one. They're a big thing in the comic books, aren't they? This is the Arkham Asylum, Living Hell. Artwork on these is beautiful. We've got a couple of car parts today. We've got some panels there going on, left and right side panels going on in the interior. So we'll need our interior section, and they just fill up the sides there where the footwells are. Now, I've gone ahead and carpeted mine. You've seen how I do this, folks. So I've actually been ahead and carpeted them ready, just so that they match the rest of the interior. And this is what we're going to end up with at the end there. We've got our side footwells gone in, and it's just beginning to dress up that interior, getting ready for the beginnings of the dashboard by the look of it. So that's what we're going to be doing. Nice and simple today. Really is simple. Couple of bits and pieces and a few screws and we're going to be done. Let's bring in our interior. This is what we've been working on in previous weeks, folks, okay? And we're going to be starting with these. So I'm going to grab a screw in anticipation like that. And we'll put that in place. Now there's a little tab and a little ear roll on this down the bottom. So I've gone ahead and I've just run a knife in the carpet there, just so that I could find where the tab goes. And we're going in there. And then the screw is going up in there, just like that. And that will hold that in place. Now what I might do is I might go around and plastic weld this, a bit like I've done around the front there, just to give that a bit of rigidity and stop it popping out. So I'll see how it sits, but I might go ahead and just run a little weld bead along there just to join them together. Depends on how the dashboard is going to attach, because we've got another fitting just there. So it might be quite specific, so we'll see. But if I need to weld it, I shall. Right, let's get me knife out and make a little cut just in the carpet there. There it is, just there. And we got one just there. Let's get my trimmer like that. And then we'll be ready for the next one. So let's grab the next screw. Pop that in there. Bink. And then we'll grab the next panel. Straight in there like that. And then we'll do the same there as what we've just done. Simple screw, right up in there. Like that. And that is those two in there. And you can see straight away with the carpet, just blends that in nicely, doesn't it, folks? I think so. I think Batman will be more than happy that he's got his car neatly carpeted. So yeah, I'll just pop that through in there. Like that. There you go. And we'll run a pen in there just to get rid of that white area. like so. And there you go. So that's where we are today. Neatly done. Nice little bit of footwellage going on. Don't forget, folks, if you'd like to grab this and build one of these with me, head over to the Fanhome website. Link is in the description below. And you too can be building this iconic model of a 1/8 scale Batmobile. In the meantime, to help me out, if you can just click little Fester and subscribe to the channel, I'll be eternally grateful. Whilst you're there, give the bell a ring. You'll get notified of upcoming content. In the meantime, thanks so much for coming in and keeping me company. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now. Easy day.